Hello everyone, this is Kostas, and to this video I'm gonna show you once again how you can use Affiliate Pal. Okay, that's a whole platform that I created, and you can advertise any opportunity and any link or even your website over here. Okay, it's uh, easy to subscribe, and I'm gonna show you here the sales page. It's the one that I have uh, already declared and using to Warrior Plus. You can easily find it there. You can use Affiliate Pal with any kind of opportunity and offer from Warrior Plus, from JVZoo, eBay, Digistore, ClickBank. Okay, and you can create content. You can just add your opportunity and not even create any content. You can even create swipes. It's everything. It's in your fingertips. Okay. To this video, I'm gonna show you. I just added the Frick hosting. Okay, here is a new opportunity. I have added my affiliate link, and I want to create a new uh, article about this opportunity. I'm gonna go to my content from here, from the side menu, and over here you're gonna see that I have the opportunity to add create content. I just type here Frick hosting, and I find it easily. The system is gonna bring me the affiliate link, my affiliate link, okay, and here it's gonna ask if I want to create the content with AI. I'm gonna select AI, and to the next one I'm gonna select that I want to create an article. Okay, so here I'm gonna say that I want AI to create even the title, and moving on, you see, it grabs even the video that I have added to my to this opportunity. I'm gonna select an image over here. Let's try to find an image over here. I got this one, and I got even those images that I created before. You see, I can even use this one. Let's try this one. And here I'm gonna select craft a well research article to highlight the opportunity. Uh, Here it's the prompt, it's ready. So I'm gonna just select this one and wait the system to do its magic. It's gonna create a whole article. It's gonna bring the video to the end of the article, and a call to action button with my affiliate link installed on it. Okay, everything is gonna be done so fast and easy. Let me show you now here. I'm gonna just click submit. The most important part is that this article, it's gonna populate it automatically to the whole network. It's gonna go to separate 6 different websites and promote it differently to those all those websites. As you can see here, I have the article already. You see, it looks really nice. I can even edit the article if I want. I'm gonna show you right away. You see here, you can share the article very easily. Here are some more opportunities that they're advertised, and you're gonna see that I have the call to action here. If somebody clicks here, as you can see, it's connected to my affiliate link, and you can easily watch even the video.
Discover the power.
Isn't it amazing? You can find more about Affiliate Pal clicking to the link under my to my description, or even to the link that you're gonna find to the comments. Thank you very much for watching this video, and I'll see you to the next one. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, like this video, and see you to the next one. Bye bye.